Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today's March 8th, and we're going to do an update on our single seed challenge. Well, here's our single seed Cinderella pumpkin. You can see it's getting rather big. It's ready to go out. See these roots coming out the bottom. We're going to pot this thing up. Now what we're doing, we're going to put it in this area because I think I have a lot of room to let it run, because pumpkins take a lot of room. Now we put in a 1/4 cup of bone meal. This usually does real good to keep squash bugs and stuff like that away. And we're putting a good healthy scoop of chicken litter. And what we're going to do is we're just going to turn this into the bottom of the hole. We want to encourage the roots to go down. They can go out too, but we want to encourage them to go down. So we're going to have something underneath them. And this is a easy job. Should be easy. All we're going to do, we're going to put it down here in this hole. We're going to push this soil up to it. Nice, healthy, rich soil. Firm it down just a little bit. And we're going to water this in. And before I leave you though, I want to tell you a little bit about this single seed challenge. Now this was started by Scott on Black Gumbo Southern Gardening channel. He started a few years back. I participated for a few years, but didn't last year. But what this is you plant a single seed, and you can check the playlist at the end. It'll show you from start to now on this. But you plant a single seed and you watch it its lifetime. And it always seems to do better, a single seed, because when you pay close attention to a single plant and the way it's growing and everything else, you seem to give it a little better care than when you just grow a crop. But anyway, and the way you do it is document it from the start, picking out your seed and planting it. If it doesn't germinate, well, start over. But once you get involved with this, you'll have a different perspective on plants, as far as in plant care, I believe. But anyway, if you want to follow up, see more of these videos or other content like this on growing, preserving, such as that, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.